Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Triple R Talent. Hope you all are well. So guys, today I'm gonna draw a beautiful scenery of moonlight, in which for shading the sky I used 2HB and 2B pencil, and for making trees and mountains dark I used 8B pencil. For blending I used blending stamps, which I told you before. And you can also use tissue paper, and if you don't have blending stamps, so you can also use cotton buds and tissue paper. And I hope you like my scenery art. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so you can receive new art videos and shorts from my channel. By following my methods, you can also draw, you can also create sceneries like that. So guys, if you ask me, if you want to ask anything about sceneries, about anime, or about any kind of art, so you can just text me in comment section and I will help you there. So guys, enjoy the video and also support me please.
Sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. We'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, go, go. Let us heal and grow. You won't be alone. We're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life. We're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. Stop until we reach it. All you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and clear my throat. Why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never lose.